I, Ms. Neha Patil, Assistant Professor from Department of Pharmacognosy, Kaili College of Pharmacy, Belagavi. Today I will discuss a topic, laxatives. So what are laxatives? Laxatives are a substance that loosens stools and increase bowel movement. They are used to treat and prevent constipation. So constipation is a condition where a patient is suffering difficulty to excrete or difficulty in the passing the stool. So constipation refers to a bowel movement that are infrequent or hard to pass. The stool is often hard and dry. The most common cause includes not eating enough fiber such as fruits, vegetables and cereals, not drinking enough fluids, not moving enough and spending long periods sitting or laying on a bed, being less active and not exercising, often ignoring the urge to go to the toilet, and changing a diet or daily routine. So these are the common causes for the constipation. So how do we classify these laxatives? In general, laxatives can be classified into four main categories: bulk laxatives, stimulant laxatives, osmotic laxatives, and stool softeners. The bulk laxatives relieve constipation by forming a soft stool and bulky stool and by promoting contraction of intestinal muscles. They are generally considered the safest and are appropriate for patients with small hard stool. Example of bulk laxative include methyl cellulose, wheat bran, isabgol, and stersulia. Then stimulant laxative speed up the bowel movement by stimulating the contraction of intestinal muscles. Example includes senna, glycerol, and sodium picrosulfate. Osmotic laxatives draw fluid into the bowel and facilitates the bowel movement with bulky and softer stools. Example includes macrogols, saline laxatives such as magnesium hydroxide, and poorly absorbed sugars such as lactulose or sorbitol. Then stool softeners and moisture to stool, the stool softeners add moisture to stool and make them softer and easier to pass out of the body. Example, Decusate. So here we have some naturally occurring laxatives. Uh, First one is senna. The synonym or common name is Alexandrian senna or Tinnavelli senna. The biological source is senna leaf consists of dried leaflets of Cassia angustifolia family Leguminosae. Geographical source is Alexandrian senna is native to South Africa, also cultivated in Egypt, in India, Tinnavelli and Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. It also grows in Sindh and Punjab region. Morphological characters: its size is 3 to 5 centimeter long, 2 centimeter wide, and about 0.5 mm thick. The shape is lanceolate to ovate, lanceolate. Color grayish green and yellowish green. Odor, it is slightly characteristic, and the taste is mucilaginous. The chemical constituents present in senna: it contains sennoside A, B, C, and D, alloamidine and rain also present. Other includes rain, anthrone, and alloamidine glycosides. The chemical test for this senna is Braun-Tragus test for anthraquinones. The leaves are boiled with dilute sulfuric acid and filtered. To this filtrate, organic solvent like benzene, ether, or chloroform is added and shaken properly. The organic layer is separated, and to this organic layer, ammonia solution is added. The ammonical layer produces pink to red color, indicating the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. So uses of senna, leaves are used as laxatives. It cause irritation of large intestine and have some gripping effect. Thus, they are prescribed along with carminatives. Senna is a stimulant cathartic and exerts its action by increasing the tone of the smooth muscles in large intestine. The next drug we have is aloe. Synonym is aloe or kumari or Grita kumari in Sanskrit it is called as. Then in biological source, Aloe is the dried juice collected by incision from the bases of the leaves of aloe species like Aloe barbadensis, Aloe indica, Aloe perfolita. Family is Liliaceae. Geographical source, aloe is indigenous to East and South Africa, but it has nowadays grown worldwide and tropical countries, and even will furnish in the countries bordering on the Mediterranean. Then morphological source or morphological characters. Aloe juice is color is dark brown, taste bitter, odor characteristic strong. Chemical constituents. The most important constituent of aloe are the three isomers of aloines, barbaloins, beta barbaloin and isobarbaloin, resin, amodine and aloamodine. Barbaloin is present in all the varieties and it is slightly yellow colored bitter substance or crystalline glycoside. So chemical test, there are three chemical tests for this aloe, that is borax test, bromine test and modified Bontrager's test, where borax test includes to 5 ml of aloe test solution, add 0.2 gram of pure borax and heat gently till it gets precipitate with few drops of the resulting solution into a test tube filled with distilled water, the appearance of fluorescence due to the formation of aloe-amodine. Then bromine water test, equal volume of the test solution, the bromine solution are mixed together, which forms the aloe precipitate due to the production of tetrabromoline. Then modified Bontrager's test, heat 0.1 gram of powdered aloe with about 2 ml of ferrichloride solution and 2 ml of dilute HCl in a test tube over a period over a preheated water bath for 5 minutes. Cool the contents and extract the liberated anthraquinone with carbon tetrachloride. Now carefully separate the lower layer, that is carbon tetrachloride, and add ammonia solution to it. The appearance of rose pink or cherry red color confirms the presence. Next uses, it is used as laxatives in the preparation of cosmetics, stimulant, and antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent in menstrual disorders. These are the references. Thank you.